So if I approach you with an investment opportunity that after 1 year, it is going to return you $1, and I ask you, do you want to take the deal? And you answer anything but it depends, then this video is definitely for you. And there's probably something going on with your trading, that there's maybe some holes in your game that you need to fix. Because every time I ask somebody this question, somebody immediately says yes or no. Why would I want $1 after a year? That sounds terrible. You don't understand what our goal is when we're trading, and I want to tell you about that inside this video and kind of give you a whole new perspective, whether you're trading options, whether you're day trading, swing trading, investing in stock, any investment. The one thing that you really need to think about, guys, the only thing that matters when you invest in anything is the return on invested capital. If you don't know how much you have to put up, your risk, then it does not matter. And you might want to click away like, oh, that's the big climax. It's so true. And I'm going to give you a couple of examples. I'm even guilty of it myself. To kind of put this into perspective and show you that I'm not crazy and show you like examples that I see in my Discord every day, I got into my community tab, and thank you guys so much for everyone that voted. I got 1.1 thousand votes on this. And I said, to be considered a good or a great trader, day, swing, wheel, whatever, what should your yearly portfolio returns be consistently? Assuming that the S&P returns 8%. I'll be discussing the results in an upcoming video. Here it is. Expand your thoughts inside the comments, guys. And I put 8%, essentially, you should be matching the S&P 500. And then maybe just a little bit better, right? 9% to 19%, 20% to 50%, 50 to 75, or 75 plus. And I'm going to be honest with you, the results did not really surprise me that much. 50% of you, okay? 50% of you said that if you had between a 9 and 19% return, that goes day trading, swing trading, wheel, and people expand in the comments, I'll get to that, you'd be considered a good or a great trader. So now back to that penny example in the beginning of the video. If I said to you I had an investment opportunity and after 1 year it was going to return you $1, and you said maybe, it depends on my invested capital, I'd say good for you. Give me 1 penny. You give me 1 penny, in 1 year I'm going to give you $1. If you think about it from the $1 perspective and you say like, inflation, like not even that good. But if you think about that on a return basis, what your return on investment, like your initial capital is, that is mind-blowing information. Too many traders, too many people, I see it, guys. Think about the dollar amount, right? This vanity glory number. I see on like thumbnails, even the thumbnails that I've made before. I would never put like 1,000% returns. It's always turn 500 into 5,000, because they always want to see that big number, right? Too many people don't trade because it's not worth it to them right now in the short term for just $5 or $1 or $5 a day, $1 a day, even in the wheel strategy. Oh, you want me to trade with Coca-Cola? Those premiums are only $6 a week. Is that even worth my time? Yes, of course, $6. Like, would you step over $6 once a week if you saw it? We have to start to change our perspective over to not dollar amounts, over to percentage. What is your return on capital? Now, if you have more capital, then yeah, you're going to return more money. But if you have a small amount of capital, what I'm saying to you, if you're a beginner trader, this is a mistake that I've been making. It's okay as a beginner trader to make a small amount of money. That's what I'm doing right now, guys. Over on my other channel that I started for day trading, I'm making $10 a day, $8 a day. And I can't really post it because people are going to be like, what, are you kidding me? But the people in Discord know that $8 is like a pretty good return for me inside my portfolio. And I'm going to show you that spreadsheet. But first, I want to show you a real life example of this that happened today inside the Discord. And this is not scripted, but this is exactly what I'm talking about. So here was the post that came in. Really happy with this, up $32, which isn't much, right? Everyone always wants to defend their dollar amount if it's not thousands of dollars. Up $32, which isn't much, but I had a $50 loser and want this, that, and the other thing done for the day. What I responded almost immediately was, that's nice. $32 is very relative. I'll take $32 all day. There's 220 trading days in the year. If you make $32 a day, that's $7,000 for the year. People have no problem at the end of the year being like, I made $7,000 day trading. But they never talk about, I made $7,000 day trading, which was only $32 a day. Right? This is things that we see. Leave it up to Baby Steps Brad to make you feel like a champ for $32. Number one, that's what I'm here for, to put things into perspective for you, even if it's inside the Discord. But guys, like I said it already in this video, I've done that. I've been there. This was information that was told to me, right? $32. And I'm day trading right now with $3,000. Let me show you like what my new goals are, because I've heard goals of $50 a day, $100 a day, 1% on your portfolio. Like, these numbers are absolutely ridiculous. I said to myself, okay, let's go to this, right? Let's go to this thing and say, if I can get in my Discord and say that I had a 50% return on my portfolio at the end of the year, nobody, whether it's in the Discord, my friends, you, I mean, some of you, 50%, I guess 29 and 4, it's 30. Okay, roughly 40% of you could say that I'm not a great trader. But I think if I can get even 50%, I would be an outstanding trader. But if I only can get 20%, I'm considered by you guys, not by me, I'm considered a really, really great trader. Here are some things I will address when I show you the spreadsheet, guys. I do, like I said, I'm not hiding anything. I want to show you what everyone says, because there are pros and cons to this. Obviously, I think if you're consistently being the SPY, you are absolutely a great trader. I have to agree with that. Now, there are some things that we're going to talk about here. I think it's definitely worth your time, right? Because time is a value, and day trading and trading options, there is some time to that. So you have to add a couple percentage points for your time. I wouldn't be happy making 8%. If I was going to get 8% day trading with the amount of time and education, I would just invest in an ETF. I really, really would. But for 20, 25%, I think I'd be really, really happy. If you know what the studies show, there's a very small percentage of people that actually do it, guys. Actively traded funds and day traders, very few of them can beat the market consistently over time. We know that, but I'm not knocking the day trading profession. Since I tried day trading and I've been watching channels and I've talked to people personally, I know there's people doing it, but what we don't realize is the amount of work that these people are putting in, because they get on YouTube and they talk about all their returns, but they never talk about the grind, and they never talk about, you know, what it's like, the ups and downs and the swings and all the education, the work they do. All right, guys, so here is what I'm day trading with right now. The portfolio 3131. All right, $3,000. Some of you would consider this really, really high. Some of you would consider it really, really low. I did have a $60 return today. All right, now I kind of want to show you, like, I just want to show you this number first, right? So 100% return, I'll have $6,000 at the end of the year. I made $3,000. And we saw by looking at this that 100%, nobody thinks that you need to hit that to be a great trader, right? You do not need to hit that. So here's a spreadsheet I made with the trading days of the rest of the year. Yes, I love spreadsheets. For everyone in the Discord, I can make this available to you if you want. Kind of want to just show you, all of over here are going to be the estimates, and all of over here is going to be the actuals that I need to update. I'm starting it today, the 28th. This video will come out on the 29th. I'm going to update this more frequently over on the other channel, Brad Finn Day Trades, if you want to check that one out, if you're into day trading and you want to see how this works. But what I did was I set this up for a 46% return. All right, so that would return me $1,400. Now, back to the money thing. Some of you think $1,400 is a ton of money. My good friend Robin, that knocks out half of her car debt, that would be a blessing for her. Some people are like, nope, not for me. $1,400 is not worth my time, because if I can't post it on Instagram or I can't buy a Lambo with it, it's not worth it. So it contradicts itself. On one hand, without numbers and dollar amounts, 19% is fine. But once you start throwing dollar amounts in there, now it's no longer worth it, right? But it's really, really worth it to me. So my goal, day trading now, is going to be to try by the end of the year to hit 46.8%, which would be a $1,400 return, which I think would be great, because I'm doing this because I love it, not necessarily for the money. The money's dope. But when we break it down and we look at this, guys, that's a target of $6 a day that I have to try and make, right? And whether you're, like I said, maybe you're not day trading. If you go out right now and you get $6 every single day, by the end of the year, just trading days, you're going to have $1,400. If you do it every day, you're going to get even more. I think back to when my dad used to give me $5 a day of lunch money, and I actually spent it on lunch when I wasn't even that hungry. I could have been making $1,500 a year just by taking my dad's lunch money. Dad, when I see you in heaven one day, thanks so much for giving me $1,500 a year to get a vanilla shake inside the cafeteria. That was really great of you. But a weekly profit target of $30. I guarantee if I got Instagram, maybe I'm going to put that up there tonight. I'll put it on Instagram, or I'll make a second vote. Is $30 a week a great target? Like, is $30 a week worth your time? Maybe I will put that post up there and you can check out Instagram and I'll see. But start off the day good, $9. I do need to update that because I took a trade at the end of the day, but well on the way. Pretty much, here's what I'm going to do. Like I said, go over to Brad Finn Day Trades if you want to watch this happen. If I get to $30 on Monday, that's going to be it for the week for me. I'm not going to blow it. Now, is there a danger of that? Like, will I have up weeks and down weeks? Yes, I know that. But essentially, if I get to $30, that's going to be done for me. This is going to be a hobby experiment. I want to see if I can make $1,400. I just want to mention, because it's definitely worth noting, what I have blacked out down here, this is the tax liability, okay? So I just got my taxes done. So I know essentially what my marginal tax bracket is. It's roughly 25%. If I make $1,411.55, I owe the government $352.89. That means I'm going to net a little over $1,000, which will still be a 35% return, which is still makes me a great trader after taxes. Guys, I beg you, please stop thinking about investing as a dollar amount. The money will come and compound. It's all about return on invested capital. How much do you need to put up to get back? I hear the same argument in real estate. Oh, you want to do this for $200 a door? They do not think about the return on capital. Dividend stocks. Oh, you have all these dividend stocks and you have to put up 50 grand to get 1,000 a year. That's return on invested capital, guys. Please, I beg you, don't defend small dollar amounts. Do not, like, I don't know if that $32 that he was talking about, I don't know if he put up $1,000 and got 32 back. Wouldn't be that bad. I don't know if he put up $1 million and got 32 back. But if he put up 5 and got 32, that's an amazing trade, right? Definitely with me. Maybe with your friends, maybe you got to defend dollar amounts. But with me, you come to me and tell me that, you got return on invested capital of 20% for the year. I'm going to clap for you. You tell me that you get 10%. I'm going to clap for you. You tell me you get 8%, I'm going to clap for you. You get 6%, I'm going to clap for you and probably suggest an ETF in the future. That's how it works, guys. I want to clap for you, and I just see too many people beating themselves up in the Discord about, I know $10 isn't a lot, but I'm happy about it. Like, you should be happy about it, especially if the return on invested capital is a lot. I think that I can do this. My biggest week for the year, I'm going to have to make $43.50, right? I'll get a nice little break. This will average out. I'm not going to trade every day, so that's why I'm okay taking a 9. But I'll tell you this, when I hit this $9, I was trading an option. I was in that trade quickly because with options, things can go really fast. And it got to like $11 by the time I could press sell. With a leakage, I got 9. I'll take it. It's more than 6. Tomorrow on Tuesday, I'm going for $6.01. You on Discord will be watching out for that as you watch this video. And then by Friday, I really have to break the bank here and I have to try and get $6.05. Please know, guys, I'm here to clap for you when you win, and I'm here to help you learn, and I don't know any other way to say it like that. If you're new to the channel, here I am, Brad Finn. You can subscribe, join the 100 and almost 2,000 of us. Thanks for the plaque, y'all, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And until then, stay positive. Work really, really hard always. As I tell you, be kind to other people. It just feels good. I'll see you in the next video.